Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can dramatically speed up your Figma workflow and design up to 10 times faster. Yes, really. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find and use the right templates in Figma and how to customize them so they fit your unique project, whether that's a sleek food app interface or eye-catching travel thumbnails. If you've ever felt stuck or overwhelmed by designing from scratch, stick with me because this method is going to save you hours and unleash your creative potential. Let's dive in. The secret to working much faster in Figma is all about utilizing templates. Now you might be thinking templates, don't they make things generic? Not at all. Templates are like launching pads. They give you a professional structure to start from so you can focus on creativity instead of getting bogged down by basic setup and repetitive tasks. So when you hop into your Figma dashboard, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Templates and Tools section. If you haven't explored this area before, it's about to become your best friend. Here you'll find a variety of pre-made designs covering tons of use cases, from app UIs to web banners and more. The beauty of this is, you don't have to stay locked into these designs, but you can absolutely use them as the skeleton for your own unique project. Let's say you want to make a food UI design. Scroll through the available templates until you spot one that matches the vibe you're after. Maybe it's got a clean layout, some delicious color palettes, or just a good overall structure. Go ahead and select it. You'll see right away how much groundwork has already been done for you. Things like spacing, typography, and navigation elements are often set up in a best practice way, which frees you up to focus on making creative decisions. Remember, you're not cheating by using a template. Think of it like a chef using a good set of ingredients. They'll still put their own twist on the final dish. Now go ahead and start customizing the template to make it truly yours. Change the images to match your project, adjust the colors, swap out the icons, and tweak the typography so it aligns with your personal or brand style. This is where your creativity comes in. And if you ever get stuck, don't hesitate to step back and look at how other designers have tackled similar problems. The template can act as a great learning tool, showing you tried and true design solutions in action. Take your time here. Sometimes customization takes a little longer than expected, but it's still way faster than starting from a blank canvas. And maybe you're working on something different, say travel design thumbnails. You can search for those too. Find a thumbnail template that grabs your attention, then jump in and start molding it to fit your needs. Switch out the images for your own travel photos, rewrite the headlines, and don't forget to add your own flair, maybe with some unique icons or playful colors that represent the places you're showcasing. So there you have it. By using Figma's templates and customizing them to suit your needs, you'll find yourself designing not only more quickly, but also much more confidently. You save time on repetitive setup work and get to focus your energy on what matters, creating beautiful, effective designs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Got any questions or suggestions for future topics? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want more tips and tricks to up your design game, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.